Jonnae Thompson, and I'm here at day 2 of Vegan Street Fair. This year, there's so many amazing sponsors, some of my favorites, some I've never heard of. I'm just excited to try every single one. So let's check out what's in this swag bag. Urbani truffle, so I love truffle anything. It's organic. I'm gonna feel real nice and elegant while I lick all of the truffle oil from my fingers. Soulful project, some nice blueberry almond, multigrain oats, chia, flax. Now I know all about lumber. Delicious brown rice crunch. I love this and I'm so excited. I have an entire box of it now. Zen Cafe Blend, Unisoy. This is some good stuff. I miss beef jerky and this totally does it for me. Ooh, sweetened condensed coconut milk. I'm really excited to try that. This is going to be an awesome opportunity to try some vegan beauty supplements. Good Karma chocolate, flax milk chocolate. They know exactly what I like. Wow butter, peanut free. You got some coolie moringa greens and protein, plant fusion foods. A nice shake that I can have before I work out. I've always wanted to try soylent. I'm a person who's on the go, so to know that I can have an entire meal in a bottle, let's go. All right, this Jada Spices chicken salt. I've been hearing about this product for a very long time. Nature's Charm is at it again. Young's jackfruit confit. Parma, vegan Parmesan. Can you say yum? I'm in love with the cocoa floss. I definitely use this stuff. Y'all should too. Love it. I know I'm gonna love this blueberry lemon bar. That's a great combination. Organic Ocho. I can't wait. Fire. So delicious. Cheddar Jack vegan cheese. Cheddar Jack, what? I love these things. Go Macro. This is the coconut almond butter with chocolate chips. Tori and Howard. What? Come through Sours. Coconut Cloud dry coconut creamer for all of you coffee drinkers. Four Sigmatic mushroom coffee. I'm gonna turn into a lion after I drink this. Pure organic wild blueberries. I'm here for the antioxidants always. Ooh, rye. Ooh, Earl Grey lip balm. That feels great. Now this stuff I definitely love. Green Goddess. The sun is shining, but you want to be glowing and not burning. I can't wait to use all my coupons. I love it. And last but not least, I can't wait to read this amazing literature, learn more about what's going on in the community as well. I'm Jonnae. Thanks so much to all of our sponsors. I gotta go eat some stuff, okay?